Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a business email in Hostinger. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're in, go to the email section on the left panel. If you're not yet subscribed to an email plan, go ahead and get a business starter plan first. Next, select the domain you want to use for your business email and click Confirm. After that, it's time to set up your email account. Start by typing in the email name you want, for example, info or support, and then create a strong password for your login credentials. Once done, click on the Create button. You'll then have the option to set up an email client like Outlook or Gmail, but you can also skip that step if you prefer to access it directly from Hostinger. Once everything's set, your business email is now created. On your email dashboard, scroll down to Email Accounts and click on Webmail. Here, you'll be able to access your inbox, send and receive messages, and manage your business communications all in one place. And that's it. You've successfully created your own professional business email in Hostinger. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.